Let's make a simple mushroom soup with soured cream. You will need potatoes, mushrooms, onion, soured cream, flour, salt, caraway seeds, lard or oil, and chives. Peel 2 large potatoes. Cut them in quarters, and then slice them. Boil the potatoes with half a teaspoon of salt. While the potatoes are boiling, slice 250 grams of mushrooms. Wild forest mushrooms would be best, but other mushrooms, such as portobello mushrooms, will also taste nice. Peel an onion. Cut the onion into quarters and slice it. Fry the onion in a little bit of lard or frying oil. Add half a teaspoon of caraway seeds. Next, add the sliced mushrooms. Fry everything for a few minutes until the mushrooms look nicely cooked. Mix 2 tablespoons of plain, all-purpose flour with 150 milliliters of soured cream. Add the mixture into the pot with potatoes. Stir everything to break up any large lumps of soured cream. Add the fried mushrooms as well. Cook everything together for another 10 minutes. Chop a bunch of chives. Serve the soup in a bowl and sprinkle the chopped chives on top. You can serve the soup on its own or with a piece of bread.